But sasa ya wiko.
Good afternoon, class. Is it good afternoon or good evening?
Good evening.
Good evening, class. Guys, please everybody to mute your mic. Mute your mic, kind. Okay, thank you. I hope you all of you are in class. Is there anybody
Yes.
with difficulty in the class? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Onesmus Bosire. And I will be taking you through construction materials. Construction materials 1. Who is your class lab? By the show of one hand. So use the reaction. Raise up your hand. Yeah, yes, Simio. At the class lab? Yeah, okay,
Yes.
thank you. Welcome to our today's session. And to start, I'm going to share a screen of what we're going to tackle today. Yeah, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Almost. Yes, we are able. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay, as you can see, we're going to tackle the introduction to construction materials. Are we together, class? Class?
Yes, we are there.
I need the class to be interactive. So, by the end of this session, the learner should be able to define construction materials. Number 2, identify main types of materials used. Number 3, explain basic properties. Number 4, appreciate safety and sustainability. To start with, in your own words, in the chat box, you can type what construction materials means. Everybody, I'll be reading the charts. Type anything in the chat concerning construction material. Yeah, you can go up to that icon of chat box, then chat there, you text there, put a message there. You can see something at each. These are materials used during construction. Amina Masita. These are materials used in general building construction. So good. So because of time, construction materials are substances used in construction of buildings and infrastructures. They include both natural and manufactured materials. Example of those materials, who can give us the example? Abuya, give us some examples. Do you see my screen?
Cement.
So let's appreciate our colleague. The next. So we have got sand, timber, and steel, cement, glass, and concrete. So let's move to our next learning outcome, which is classification of construction materials. And we're going to classify these materials by origin, by function. Plus, are we together? Yeah, we are going to classify these materials by origin. Number 1, by origin, we have the natural and the artificial. Under natural materials classification, we have got the stones, the wood, and the sand. Under the artificial, we have got the cement, bricks, concrete. You know, these artificial, these are the manufactured materials that we usually buy that are not found naturally. They are manufactured from the industry. Then classification by function, we have got the structural and the finishing. Under structural, we have got concrete, steel, and timber. Then under finishes, we have got paint, grasses, and tiles. You know this, the paint, the one that makes is the last application that is applied to the building to enhance aesthetic, the grasses, then the tiles to enhance the aesthetic of the building. Then we're going ahead to the properties of good construction materials. I would like you to type in the chat box what are these properties of construction materials. Kindly everyone to type in the chat box. Type. I'm not seeing anything in the chat box. Yeah, we have got the Geza durability, Abuya durability, porosity. So because of time, I would like to tackle these properties of good construction materials. For a good construction material, it has to have the high strength. Then we have durability. The material must have to be strong so as it can last for a long time. Then workability. A good material for construction should be easy to be worked on. Then the density, and we have the resistance to water and fire. So these materials have to resist weather conditions and the fire in case there is a fire outbreak. Then good materials ensures safety, longevity, and quality construction. Then we have got the common construction materials. Hope you know these common construction materials, the likes of cement, which is stood for binding as a binding agent, concrete and mortar. Then we have got steel, which is used for reinforcement, beams and columns. Then we have timber. Timber is used for structural, stock finishes, frames and doors. Then we have bricks. We have got the walling under masonry. Then we have got glass finishes, windows and facades. Then I would like us to see the handling and safety. When handling these construction materials, you have to be on the safer side to protect yourself from any hazard. So always wear protective gears such as gloves, boots, and helmets. Then store material properly. Avoid moisture and fire. Then follow handling guidelines for cement, steel, and chemicals. Then let's go to sustainability of materials. So let's proceed. Kind. Are you able to see the screen? Yeah, we have the sustainability materials. Use eco-friendly, locally available materials. Then we have the examples: bamboos, recycled aggregates. Then sustainability reduces costs and environmental impact. Then let's move ahead. Let's go ahead. In the chat box, kindly give me type in your chat box the importance construction materials. Yeah. Type the importance of construction materials, the chat box. Simeo determine strength. That's good. That's good, Simeo. Determine strength and durability. It influences cost and maintenance, affect aesthetic and sustainability. Up to that place, at that point, learners, I would like us to do this session. I would like to ask a question, then you will answer what we have tackled from the above. Which of the following material is a natural construction material? I think you can see the screen. Are you able to see the screen? Okay, in the chat box, kindly write your answer. The answer in the chat box. Which of the following is a natural construction material? Write your answer in the chat box. I'll believe the answers. Timber, Abuya, Timber, James Getich, Timber. Okay, that's the correct answer. The correct answer is timber. In summary, construction materials are essential for engineering works. Proper selection ensures safety and economy. Sustainability supports environmental goals. Up to that point, learners, I'd like to end our session there. So we'll meet in our next session. And before we end this session, I want the assignment in your groups, in the groups of 4-4, class lab, connect in the groups of 4-4, go and discuss the importance of construction materials, either natural or man-made, the ones that are manufactured from the industry. The assignment to be submitted before we begin our next session. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too.
My meeting is